Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set free shipping our specific amount order in WooCommerce WordPress using WooCommerce setting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. Now you see order price. Go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are not using any plugin. We are using WooCommerce setting free shipping. Now you see shipping tab, so click on it. Now shipping tab open and then you see shipping zone, shipping setting classes. So we are in shipping zone. Now you see zone name, so click on add zone. Now add zone section open, so you can add information according to your requirement. Zone name, so we added zone name free shipping and then you see zone region. So currently we are applying this for all country. So that's why we are not select any specific zone region. And then you see shipping method, title, enable description and then you see button add shipping method, so click on it. Now you see create shipping method pop-up open and then you see free shipping, flat rate, local pickup, then you see free shipping, so click on it. Now click on continue and then you see name free shipping and then you see free shipping required. Drop down you see multiple option. Now select a minimum order amount. Now you see minimum order amount, so you can set according to your requirement 100. Customer will need to spend this amount to get free shipping. Now you see checkbox apply minimum order rule before coupon discount, so don't enable this option and then click on create. Now free shipping created. Now go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see shipping, no shipping option was found. So we are going to create another shipping method. Back to setting. Now you see add shipping method. So click on it. Now you see flat rate. So click on it. Continue. Now you see name flat rate. Tax status taxable or none. So you can select none. If you add tax on product, then you can enable this option. So you can set flat rate 20 and then you see shipping class cost. So currently we are not adding. Now click on create. Now we have two shipping method, free shipping, flat rate. Now go to cart page. Our order amount is 46. Now refresh the page. Now you see shipping rate flat rate 20 because our order amount is 46. Now increase quantity. Now 5. Click on update cart. Now you see two shipping method. So our order is 115. Now you see flat rate free shipping. Now select free shipping. So we are not using any plugin. We are using WooCommerce setting to apply free shipping above specific amount of order. Now you see free shipping subtotal 115, total 115. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.